Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm back with another double dip video. So this is the color I'm going to be using, Pearlescent number 1326, along with the swatch beside it. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be using this as an acrylic form, but you are able to use it as dip powder, acrylic, or to do ombre as well, which is absolutely amazing. These retail for $7.99, and I think that's an amazing price because, like I mentioned, they're very inexpensive, and they also have different ways of payment. Like if you don't want to pay for the entire purchase, they also offer afterpay, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm also going in with BT Art Box in a number 10 brush, which is what I'm going to be using today to work with the acrylic. And yeah, I already have everything set up. I have my potential charms as well because, like you guys already know, I absolutely love Kawaii. So I am doing a Kawaii set today, and I'm super excited about this set. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and hit that like button to let me know that you guys enjoyed. So here I'm just starting off with small beads, and I'm just going from the free edge to the cuticle of the nail. And the reason behind this is because since this is a fast drying acrylic, or whatever the case may be, or if you're using any other acrylic, if you start from the cuticle area down the free edge, what's going to happen is that it's going to dry, and then when you apply, it's going to be bulky, or it may not fit the cuticle area, and it's just going to be complicated. So that's why I suggest you guys begin from the free edge all the way down to the cuticle area, and when you get down to the cuticle area, leave a wet bead and then place it on the nail. So that is what I'm going to be demonstrating to you guys here, and I am deciding to use a single nail stand for this particular video. And I'm sorry if this video may seem a bit repetitive. It's just for video purposes. I did want to show you guys the way that I apply acrylic using the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi beauty method. And right here I'm just using the Betsy peel off coat, which is my absolute favorite at the moment, just because it's a little bit more stern, so it doesn't just come off when I file the nails. So that is why I really like it, and I definitely recommend it. I believe it goes for $12, and I will have a code down below with all my discount codes for DoubleDip, Betsy, or any other brands that you'd like to check out. Everything will always be linked down below in the description box. So as you guys can see, since I already like the nail the way it looks, I'm just placing it on, and I'm holding it down for a couple seconds until it stays in place, and then I'm just moving on to the following nail. And like I mentioned, always begin from free edge all the way down to the cuticle area. And I absolutely love playing around with acrylic. I always mention it, I don't know how to do acrylic, but I really enjoy using it and just practicing with it. And I'm just trying my best because acrylic, there's just a lot of factors that go into it, like with the brush, that you have to burp it, you have to eliminate the bubbles, you have to like constantly clean your brush, and like it's just so many things that go into it as opposed to any other nail method. So it's just a lot, and yeah. So I just hope you guys enjoy, and let me know down below what you guys thought about this particular nail look. I absolutely loved it. Honestly, just with the acrylic alone, these nails look stunning. In the near future, I might just do a set like that for myself to wear, but honestly, the charms were just an extra, but they just looked really beautiful, just the acrylic alone. I just love how beautiful this color is, and how it has all these glitters, and just how it sparkles, and it's just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. So here I'm just going in and shaping and filing, just some very light shaping and filing. Then I'm gonna move over on to using my Melody Susie nail drill, and this is the cordless nail drill. You guys will see right here, and it's absolutely amazing, very powerful and inexpensive. And I'm just going to go in and go around the cuticle area just to make it more natural looking and flush. This is really important because this is really what's going to compose the nail altogether, in my personal opinion. I like my nails to look very acrylic like, so since I am using full coverage nails, it will look like press-ons if I don't really blend this in correctly. And you could also do this with a file as well if you don't want to use a nail drill or you don't own one. And I think I have a Melody Susie coupon or a discount code. You'd have to check in my description box because I'm not 100% sure if you're interested in this drill. I believe it's like $50 or $60, something like that. And now I'm just going in with the buffer, and then after I'm done buffing the nails to remove the shine off the surface, since I will be applying my own top coat, I'm just going in with some alcohol and scrubbing all the excess dirt and dust off the nails. And then we're gonna go move straight into the application of rhinestones. But before I do that, I almost forgot to place my top coat on. So something that I like to do is placing my top coat on first, curing my nails, and then going in with the gummy jelly, and I'm all done. I prefer doing it that way than just applying the charms on and then trying to go around the nail to try to cover it up with the top coat. I feel like this particular way of doing it is just better and easier for me, so that's the way that I do it. So here you're just gonna see me apply top coat to all the nails and then cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna go in and use my Couture gummy jelly, which I literally love, absolutely amazing. None of the charms come off. It's literally the absolute best, and it retails for $9.99 along with my flashy lamp from Couture as well. Absolutely amazing and so handy. I believe everybody should own one of these just because of how much easier it makes your life. And you guys will see me doing everything here and the process, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the process of me applying the charms, and we are coming to an end of this video. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. These are available on my Etsy shop for $6, and I am doing Halloween themed cuticle oils upon request if you're interested as well for $6. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love you all. I'll see you next time.